Learn Hindi school words fast. School to.
School.
Teacher to.
Shikshak.
Welcome to class. Hey, you are about to learn useful Hindi school words without falling asleep on your desk. Let us walk into the classroom together and make these words stick. Today's mini adventure happens at a school called
School.
Yes, that one is easy. School is
School.
If English and Hindi had a high five, this word would be it. At the gate of the
School.
A serious but kind teacher waits. Teacher in Hindi is
Shikshak.
Two learners rush in. One is a schoolgirl, which is
Chhatra.
The other is a student.
Chhatr.
Inside, they are taking a new course. Course in Hindi is
Course.
On the desk is a little note. Note is
Note.
It says, do not panic. There may be homework. There may be an exam. But there will also be snacks. Homework is
Grihkarya.
and exam is.
Pariksha.
Deep breath. You survived the vocabulary parade. The funny school story. Now listen to a silly story. The funnier it gets, the easier the words stay in your memory. One morning, a sleepy
Chhatr.
ran to
School.
wearing two different shoes. He said, fashion. Everyone said, emergency. At the door, the
Shikshak.
looked at him, looked at the shoes, and decided this was not the day to ask questions. Nearby, a bright
Chhatra.
carried a stack of books so high she nearly disappeared behind them like a walking library. The class had started a new
Course.
and everybody was trying to look intelligent. This mostly meant nodding at random. Then the teacher wrote a giant
Note.
on the board, finish your
Grihkarya.
before the.
Pariksha.
Suddenly the room became silent. Even the ceiling fan looked worried. The student whispered, I respect knowledge, but why does knowledge always come with?
Grihkarya.
The schoolgirl whispered back, because life is a group project. Word spotlight. Let us slow down and look at each word clearly. Say them out loud with me if you can. School equals.
School.
Course equals.
Course.
Homework equals.
Grihkarya.
Exam equals.
Pariksha.
Note equals.
Note.
Teacher equals.
Shikshak.
Schoolgirl equals.
Chhatra.
Student equals.
Chhatr.
Use them in real sentences. You learn faster when words live inside sentences. Here come some easy examples. The children walk to
School.
every morning. This
Course.
starts on Monday. I finish my
Grihkarya.
before dinner. Tomorrow we have a.
Pariksha.
Please read the
Note.
on the table. Our
Shikshak.
is very kind. The
Chhatra.
answers the teacher's question. The
Chhatr.
reads every day. Mini dialogue at school. Now imagine you are overhearing a dramatic school conversation. Very dramatic. Almost too dramatic for a Tuesday. A. Where are you going? B. I am going to.
School.
A. Which class did you choose? B. I chose a new.
Course.
A. Did you finish your?
Grihkarya.
B. I finished it 5 minutes before panic became my personality. A. Are you ready for the?
Pariksha.
B. Ready is a strong word, but I did bring a pencil. A. Did the
Shikshak.
leave a message? B. Yes, A.
Note.
It says, study first, dramatic speeches later. A. Who is she? B. She is A.
Chhatra.
A. And who is he? B. He is A.
Chhatr.
Quick memory tricks. Here are fast memory hooks, because your brain likes shortcuts almost as much as it likes avoiding homework. School and
School.
sound very similar, so that one is a free point. Course becomes
Course.
also very close to English. 4.
Grihkarya.
Think. Homework packed into one big formal word. 4.
Pariksha.
Imagine a serious exam hall and a ticking clock. 4.
Note.
Just think note equals.
Note.
Easy. 4.
Shikshak.
Imagine a teacher at the board with chalk dust everywhere. 4.
छात्रा
Picture a schoolgirl with books and confidence. 4.
छात्र
Picture a student opening a notebook and asking smart questions. Quiz time. Let us see what stuck. No stress. This is a friendly quiz, not a surprise dragon level.
परीक्षा
What is the Hindi word for school?
स्कूल
What is the Hindi word for course?
कोर्स
What is the Hindi word for homework?
गृह कार्य
What is the Hindi word for exam?
परीक्षा
What is the Hindi word for note?
नोट
What is the Hindi word for teacher?
शिक्षक
What is the Hindi word for schoolgirl?
छात्रा
What is the Hindi word for student?
छात्र
Your speaking challenge. Now it is your turn. Say these short lines aloud. Yes, out loud. Whispering dramatically also counts. I am going to.
स्कूल
This
कोर्स
is useful. I finished my.
गृह कार्य
Tomorrow is the.
परीक्षा
I wrote a.
नोट
The.
शिक्षक
Is here. She is a.
छात्रा
He is a.
छात्र
Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You made it through school words, homework words, and even exam words without needing a fake doctor's note. Today you practiced school vocabulary in English and Hindi.
स्कूल कोर्स गृह कार्य परीक्षा नोट शिक्षक छात्रा
And.
छात्र
Thanks for learning with me. Keep practicing, repeat the words again later, and let your brain do its sneaky memory magic. You are doing great.